EMO Hannover 2019 started today under the motto Smart Technologies Driving Tomorrow's Production. More than 2,200 exhibitors from all over the world are presenting their innovations for industrial production. Whoever goes through the fair sees the connection between the machines. It's about Umati, about OPC UA. We're creating the world language for machines. And you can see the first ones that already communicate this way here at the fair. In addition to innovations in the field of digitization, the focus in 2019 will be on the networking of systems. As the standardized interface for machine tools of all major manufacturers, Umati is being presented at EMO Hannover for the first time. Those who are not on board have actually made a mistake because there are already so many who are. Therefore, our task is to define standards that are born out of Germany, out of Europe. Visitors and exhibitors come from all over the world to see for themselves the innovative potential of productivity and efficiency exhibited, as well as the latest standards of the Internet of Things.
Everybody's implementing Internet of Things. Right, so the connecting of different sensors, the different machines, autonomous driving within the factories is all becoming a reality. So we offer the integration capability and then the data platforms to be able to use that data efficiently.
Simpler, faster and more secure data exchange. Another topic that poses new challenges for the industry.
Data governance is one of the key questions which customers ask us. Ask who will own the data, who will manage the data, and our answer is very simple. End customer is the owner of the data.
At EMO Hannover, companies from 48 countries are presenting their solutions for the problems of the machine tool industry. A meeting of experts and decision makers that is just as exciting for large companies as it is for small startups.
I'm really curious about how IoT is really expanding quickly in the European market. We come from North America, and it's sort of refreshing. It's great to see all the activity from the large companies like Siemens all the way through these other startups.
Experience all the innovations of the international metalworking industry in one place. This is only possible at EMO Hannover.